All right, welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and super effective way to learn English through something we all adore, watching movies and TV shows. Just picture this, lounging on your couch, popcorn in hand, and effortlessly picking up English. Who wouldn't want that, right?
That sounds amazing. Can you really learn English just by, binge watching your favorite series?
Absolutely. Many students wrongly believe that learning a language solely consists of grammar charts and vocabulary lists, but it doesn't have to be that tedious at all. Imagine watching something like Friends. You can actually hear how people converse naturally. It's engaging and gives you a taste of real-life dialogue.
Yeah. I remember watching an episode of Friends once, and they kept saying, "How you doing, Fung?" over and over. Is that actually how people talk? It sounded so funny.
Exactly. That's a perfect illustration of real conversation. It might not showcase perfect grammar, but it's so authentic. And that's the essence. You want to capture those little gems of language. You see, shows and movies can also introduce you to cultural nuances like sarcasm and body language.
Ooh. So wait, it's like getting a crash course in culture while learning English. Is there a specific method we should use when watching to, maximize the benefits? Sigh.
Great question. Let's simplify things with some actionable tips. First off, use subtitles wisely. Begin by watching with subtitles in your native language. This helps you grasp the storyline fully and allows you to connect with the characters.
Oh man, that makes so much sense. I would totally need that if it's all in English, right? But what's next, after that?
Right. Once you're comfortable with that, switch to English subtitles. This connection helps you link what you hear with how it's spelled. And then comes the real challenge. Try watching without any subtitles at all. Just listen. Your listening skills will dramatically improve over time. It's similar to when you first learned how to ride a bike. It can be wobbly in the beginning, but grants you freedom once you get the hang of it.
Haha, right. I can totally relate. It's like when I first learned to skateboard. Lots of falling, but then you just zoom down the street.
Exactly. And here's another valuable tip. Pause and repeat. When you hear a sentence that strikes a chord with you, pause the video, rewind it, and then attempt to say it out loud. It's like you're mimicking the actor. This practice is known as shadowing. It works wonders for your pronunciation.
Oh, I love that. It's like karaoke for English but without the singing. Do you think it helps build confidence too? Like when you finally nail that one high note in a song?
Spot on! It definitely boosts your confidence because you're practicing real speech patterns and nuances. Plus, here's another fantastic tip. Always keep a small notebook handy. Jot down impactful phrases or vocabulary you come across. Then, you can start using those phrases in your daily life to solidify your connections.
Oh gosh. So, creating my own little English phrase bank? That sounds so cool. I can't wait to whip it out next time I chat with my friends.
Exactly. Now, here comes the fun part. A challenge. Choose a movie or show you love, preferably in English, and watch a short segment, maybe 10 to 15 minutes or so. After you're done, jot down 3 new expressions that you pick up.
Ooh, I'm so excited. Can I choose a superhero movie? They always have the best one-liners.
Absolutely. Then practice saying those one-liners out loud and, importantly, work to incorporate one of those new phrases into your everyday conversations.
Wow. So if I do this every week, my English can just grow like those cool superhero powers?
Precisely. Learning English shouldn't feel like a chore. You can immerse yourself while laughing at a comedy or being captivated by a thrilling drama. Just think about your favorite characters. Ultimately, it comes down to consistent practice. So put on that show, grab those headphones, and let the learning adventure commence.
This is going to be fun. Can't wait for the next episode already.